Learning to focus the mind can improve nearly every aspect of life, from really listening to our family tell us how their day went to getting a big project done at work. Cultivating this one-pointed state of mind also has the potential to unfold into dharana, which is the Sanskrit term for a state of deep concentration. This occurs during meditation and during daily life when we experience the flow state. The flow state occurs when your body and mind become fully absorbed by an experience. You probably have felt this when you found yourself completely engaged with a project or in a state of deep connection with another person. It occurs during moments like falling in love or holding your newborn baby for the first time. You may feel it when you're listening to your favorite song, watching the climactic moment of your favorite movie, or watching your favorite sports team play at the critical moment of a big game. It is in this flow state that we are able to perform at an optimal level. It's what Michelangelo described when he talked about seeing the angel in the hunk of marble and carving until he set him free. It's what Mozart experienced when he composed his greatest symphonies. It's what highly successful athletes, business people, and leaders cultivate to perform at the height of their abilities. There is a reason we love those moments of flow. They bring us completely into the present moment where we feel the full intensity of our experience, the full intensity of being. We don't have to reserve that pure experience of being for the big game or a random moment of creative inspiration. We can actually have it throughout our daily lives. This is exactly why we practice iRest. The key is learning to listen deeply. Not just with our ears, but really with all of our 5 senses wide open and engaged, so we're feeling each moment with our entire bodies. When we do this, we get out of the thinking mind and into feeling. We open the door to experience being. The practice of iRest opens us an invitation at every single stage of the 10-step practice to do exactly this. At its core, iRest is a practice of deep listening. iRest helps us to be fully present throughout our lives. We engage with the world in a new way. We find connection where we may have been in conflict before. A sense of uncaused joy begins to arise, even amidst difficult and painful experiences, because we feel present and in harmony with life. While this may initially sound esoteric or perhaps unattainable, in actual practice, through iRest, it is entirely possible. Learning to be fully present from moment to moment can transform the quality of your attention and every aspect of your life.